Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see the products and organizing hacks we've got in this video. This is the package. She's gonna unpack all these products. This is a sanitizer. This is a small brush you can use for cleaning your toilet. It's really cool. You can use it for cleaning the corners. And this is a small shelf you can use for organizing your stuff. This is a cleaner you can use for your bed. This is an electric oven. This is a small trimmer you can use for your eyebrows. You can also use it for your nose. We've got this one you can use for your sandals. This is a small juicer.